Artesian is a service purpose-designed for frontline professionals. We organise the world's best business information, combining pioneering data science to make it easy for you to get what you need to drive the impact you want. Our insights literally come from millions of data sources every day, which are impossible to find with search engines, even if you had the time. We've spent years refining the best specialist news sources, social media, structured company information, and key prospecting data for RMs, from the surface web, the deep web, and paywall protected sources. For RMs, it means you can better understand your customer, engage proactively to jump on the latest news or breaking development, spot upsell opportunities or potential downside risks. I'm really excited about our latest release. It's all about helping you drive growth. The long, outdated SIT code system and traditional business classification systems take literally ages to sort through, even with Artesian. So we've built you a game changer. We did some work with another customer, Amazon, to look at around 4 million business websites in the UK and the ways companies describe themselves. We then built an AI model capable of understanding and interpreting all of this data and how it's connected, so you can find them using the words that they use to describe themselves. An example here, I'm interested in targeting the growing sector of craft beer brewing. I can literally ask Artesian to find me craft brewing companies of a certain size and profile. And the results are already sorted by the hottest companies to target with a reason to call. You'll find this new capability in Prospector. Go take a look. And we've added tons more stuff, new filters, new market sectors, more trigger topics, all based on the input and feedback of our financial services customers. It's our aim to release something exciting every 2 to 3 months, and we've got some cracking things planned. By leveraging specialist data and AI, we can better anticipate the things that you need to know. We can help you move from being reactive to proactive, and in the short term, predictive. Think about the possibilities if we could train a machine to look for what you know. And here are 4 things we're doing right now. Specialist data models organized to give you fast answers. For example, risk and compliance data to pre-screen customers for issues before you get too far down the road. Deeper process integration, for example, linking external data to your internal CRM data to better connect colleagues. And artificial intelligence which delivers answers. For example, conversational chatbots that'll give you suggested actions, almost like having a personal assistant in your pocket. And globalization, global company data, news in any language you want, and the global support that goes with it. If you have any feedback or questions, please don't hesitate to drop me a note at ceo@artesian.co or share it with your customer experience team. Thank you for listening.